Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. To identify tree species with high similar leaf based on a novel attention mechanism for CNN. Now we are going to see the project abstract. Trees are basically identified by their leaves. There are different varieties of tree grown throughout the world. Some are important cash crop and some are used in medicine. The tree identified is very important in day-to-day life. Morphological and genetically characterized were employed to classify different leaves. However, the presence of wide morphological varieties through evolution among the various leaf cultivars made it more complex and difficult to classify them. This paper presents an algorithm for image processing which is used to detect the plant species using plant image. We are using the feature extraction for image. The image is detected based on the shape. Finally, we are implementing the CNN algorithm for identifying the species using leaf image. Now we are going to see the flow of the project. So user can upload the image first and pre-processing the image, and the feature extraction. The feature extraction is based on shape based. So they classify the image and then predict the species using CNN algorithm. Now we the project. So this is a spider window. So in this first we have to import our project folder. So click this file explorer. So in this, so this is our code. Please import it. So and see the file explorer. So this is our file explorer. In this cn.py, this is our project. So if we have to run the project code, please use this green play button or F5 button. So the project is running in the console. So it takes using TensorFlow as a backend. So first, if you want the TensorFlow means, first you have to install all the packages in your Anaconda prompt. So now this is the matrix of image in horizontal edges and vertical edges, the detecting by the kernel. So this, now the data is training. It's using 60,000 samples and validate on 10,000 samples. And the approach is 3, so it trained 3 times with the 60,000 samples. Using this training and validation only, we have to predict the species of the leaf. So after completion of first approach, it now we train the 60,000 sample with the second approach. While you are getting accuracy in first approach is 95. So now how see how the accuracy will get in second approach. Okay, after completing the second approach, we are getting the accuracy of 96, and then now the third approach is running. So while the third approach is completed, means we have to get the final accuracy value. You see now the accuracy value is increased. After completing this, how much we get, we know that. Finally, we get the accuracy of so execution time is 719 something. So this is a hibiscus rosa. So this is image view. So here there are the varied explorer in this the execution, the DS path and the gray values. So image, resized image, horizontal, vertical, test image, test labels. So all the train labels, all the informations are available here. You just click. So this is the final output which we are getting. Thank you for watching this video.